All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Thursday adverbs. So, enough. Enough, no more. No more is needed or wanted. We need this much. We have enough. We don't have enough. We have more than enough. We have enough. I have enough time to record it. They have enough ideas to work with. I want to have enough people to talk with. Yes. Yeah. I think that is enough videos. No more is needed. We don't have enough videos. Yeah. No more are needed. I need more. There we are. So, do you have enough water? Enough water. Do you have enough water? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. I have enough hours in the day. There are enough videos for me to record. She has enough free time. He has enough team members. Yeah. He has enough. He knows enough words to share his thoughts easily. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, they have enough food and drink for tonight. I've drunk enough tea for today. Enough, more than enough. He's not been to enough countries. He needs to go to more places and countries. He needs to go to more places and countries. I'm recording more than enough videos for now. Yeah. I have recorded enough videos for one day. Yeah. We have plans to go to enough countries next year. I have made enough plans, so I'm ready to get started. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. I've seen the film enough times to know the words. Yeah. I've listened to that song enough times I know the lyrics. Yeah. How cool is that? So enough. Now, can you use enough in a sentence? Comment below and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.